Everyone and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will tell you how Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum and Litecoin has moved in the last week and how these cryptocurrencies can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, what we have seen, there is an uptrend after a long time. Okay, so with the strong support at $17.20, and now we have seen it is trying to move upside. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, which is on the high side, because since September second week we have not seen that it has moved at this particular level. So now it is currently trading at around $21,382. Suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of $22.769. okay, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see it can move further high and can touch a level of around $25,078. okay, then once the price break this particular level, then chances are very high that it can move towards a level of $26.892, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $31,016 to a level of $32,000. okay, and once if it crosses $32K, then a probability of touching another level of $32,335, and once the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $34,315, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can move further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $20.262. okay, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $19,800. okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $18,779, and from there we can see it can move further low if the price didn't sustain this particular level. And once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further down. If we talk about Dogecoin, we have seen there is a sharp rise. We have, if you look at this particular Dogecoin, okay, so I have already suggested you that if this range break upside, because this is the range where the price of Dogecoin was moving for quite some time, and it is still showing an uptrend, as we can see that it is on the high side. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, then we can see if it goes below a level of $0.1150, then only we can see it can move further low and can come in this zone again. But if this level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $0.1395. okay, and if from there we can see it can move further upside, because all these resistance are weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of $0.13375, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of around $0.15738, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $0.178. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can move further high towards a level of around $0.212. okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $0.22905. okay, and from there we can see high chances that this level has not come in. If the price goes above this particular level, okay, then because this level has not come in 2020, so chances are very high we can see that it can move further upside. okay, because the crypto started moving upside. Now we talk about Ethereum has also shown some movement on the upside. okay, so probability is there, if this level sustain, then we can see it can move further high towards a level of around $1731.7, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1791.7. okay, suppose if the price goes above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $2033.7, and from there we can see it can move further upside if the price sustain above that level and can touch a level of $2142. okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside if the price goes above this particular level. Now if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $1501. okay, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1428. Suppose if the price fall below that particular level, then only we can see it can come in this particular zone again, and chances are very high it can break this particular level also if the price goes below a level of 1300. okay, then you have to understand, if the price sustain this level and goes above a level of 2045, then we can see it can go further upside, because these levels are already has not come since May 2022. so chances are very high that if this goes above a level of 2045, then we can see it can touch a level of 2154 to a level of $2517, and from there we can see it can move further high. Okay, now if we talk about Litecoin, what we have seen that Litecoin is also on the upside. Okay, has broke this particular zone with a strong high of around $67.50. This is the resistance which has already crossed upside. So chances are very high that we can see it can move further high and can touch a level of around 84.75 if the price sustain this level, and from there we can see it can move further high towards a level of around $87.54. Okay, because in between we can see a resistance coming at around $71.33 and a level of $73.25. Okay, but these levels are already being a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it can move further high towards a level of 79, and once 79 crossed, then we can see it can touch a level of $83.47, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $94.33 if the price sustain above 84. Okay, because 84 once sustained, then we can see a level of 87.54, then to a level of 94, and from there we can see it can move further upside if the price sustain this level. But if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $66.86, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of $61.37. Once the price fall below this particular level, then it will come in this zone again and can touch a level of around $6 if the price goes below this level, and can touch a level of 55.17, and from there we can see it can fall further low if the price didn't sustain that level also.